Hey everybody, hope you had a great Easter. Welcome back on the Tuesday, 4:15. Wow. So what I have here this week is I have 4 days of activities. Now again, if you're outside a lot playing, that's enough for me. I just want you out playing and doing things. These are some fun activities that you can try, and there's one per day. You can do whatever you want with it. And parents, you do not have to confirm to me what you've done. If you have a good picture and you want to send it, or a video, that's fine. But don't worry about adding more to your plate. We have a couple different things here, so I'll go through it. So the first thing we have is PE Bingo, and it is on the website. So when I click on the PE Bingo site, as it says, you complete one row, one column, or one diagonal through the middle. And eventually it will open, I promise. Okay, here it is. So as you can see, we have all these different activities in a 5x5 grid. What I did is I just went and drew one. As you can see, it's pretty sloppy, but you know, it meets the purpose. You can print it if you want, but I just made it like this, and then you can put them any ways you want. And the object is to try to get a row, any 5 in a row. Oh, but there's a free space. Any column that goes straight up and down, all 5, or a diagonal through the middle on either side. So if you do those, that would be day 1. If you can get whatever you want, put anywhere you want, try them, do your best. Day 2, you're going to do the superhero warm-up again. So in the superhero warm-up, you're going to pick a superhero, warm up doing their activity. Here it comes. Here it comes. So in the superhero warm-up, whatever one you want, you can do their activity. Depending on what you want to do, pick it. If you have already done one, try to do a different one. They're pretty fun. Practice with what you're doing. And then after you've done that, you can do these exercises. 10 jumping jacks, 10 push-ups, 10 squats, 10 sit-ups. Repeat 2 to 5 times. How many different times can you do it? Alright. Day 3 is a fun day. This is called sock wrestling. So if you look at this section, it's a Twitter, I hope it comes up. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to put a sock on your heel, in your sock, a sock in your sock, kind of like this, and you're just going to try, if you have no way to wrestle, get your mom or dad. They're probably old like me. Well, probably not. I'm pretty old. They will get their knees a little sore, but it's just a fun activity to try. So if you get a chance, go ahead and try the sock activity. Now the last thing we do on Friday, we're going to do another bingo day. You can complete another row or column. Where's that? You can complete another row or column, or the other diagonal, or you can try to black out the whole thing. So that's kind of what our activities are this week. So if you have any questions, please email me here. And if you want to, you can send me a picture of you doing an activity, but it is not required. Only if you want to send it. Alright, I miss you all. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week.